Welcome to this module on DIY Loop, a widely used open-source automated insulin delivery system for iPhones. In this module, we will dive into the details of DIY Loop and explore how it works step by step. DIY Loop combines three essential components: a compatible insulin pump. This can be Omnipod DASH, Dana pump, Omnipod Eros, or some older versions of Medtronic pumps, although the latter two require you to wear an additional Riley Link device. A compatible glucose sensor. This can be a Dexcom or FreeStyle Libre sensor, or an Enlite sensor paired to a compatible Medtronic pump, and the open-source DIY Loop algorithm as an app on a compatible iPhone. Reports can be viewed using Tidepool or Nightscout, although Nightscout, part of the We're Not Waiting Open project, is recommended by the community for better data analyzing. Remote monitoring is possible via Dexcom Follow app if you have a Dexcom Share account. If you upload your data to Nightscout, family members and caregivers can monitor your data in real time via the Loop Follow app or Loop Caregiver app. The Loop Caregiver app also allows caregivers to give remote commands. This open-source software is as safe and effective as commercial automated insulin delivery systems, but it has not been approved by the FDA or European authorities. Consequently, if you choose to use it, you'll need to build and use it at your own risk. To access the manual for building the app, you can visit this LoopDocs website on GitHub. Additionally, if you decide to run an open-source DIY app, it is highly recommended to commit to coming back to the support forums on a regular basis to see if there are any important safety updates. Volunteering groups can be found through Looped Facebook group and Loop and Learn official channels for enlarging your own knowledge to master your personalized insulin delivery system. You can find the Loop and Learn Facebook group, YouTube channel, Instagram account, and official website with regular newsletter subscription included on www.loopandlearn.org. Before we begin, it's important to note that these videos are not intended as medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any adjustments to your therapy. The content of this module was created by Dr. Inge van Boxelaar, founder of Diabetotech and endocrinologist at the St. Lucas Hospital in Ghent in Belgium. The material has been reviewed by Dr. Per Winterdijk, pediatrician at the Diabetes Institute in Rotterdam in the Netherlands, and Miroslava Kalegari from Slovakia, whose daughter uses DIY Loop and who is also a team member of Loop and Learn. It's important to note that no financial interests are involved, ensuring an unbiased assessment of this open-source automated insulin delivery system. DIY Loop is available as free accessible open-source software, but an Apple developer account, which costs $99 for a year, is required in order to have an uninterrupted user experience. By the end of this video series, you will have a clear understanding of how DIY Loop aligns with the CARES paradigm, how to navigate the DIY Loop app, how to generate and interpret reports in Nightscout, and how to manage specific situations like hypo and hyperglycemia, exercise, illness, high-fat meals, alcohol, and traveling. Whether you're a caregiver looking to guide individuals on DIY Loop or a prospective user preparing for a successful start, these videos will equip you with valuable insights, tips, and tricks to enhance your experience with DIY Loop. Good luck and enjoy the journey!